What's up guys? In this video I will share the top 5 reasons why you should not become an IT project manager. Do not get me wrong, I'm all for the people who want to become a project manager, especially in the exciting IT world. However, many people should not become a project manager. I was working with a few people who should not have become managers, and it wasn't the nicest feeling. My name is Maciek and I have been involved in project management for 7 years. So, if you are thinking about becoming an IT project manager, here are a few things you should consider. Reason number 1. Small earnings when you're just starting out. A lot of people think IT project management means instant big bucks. And while the long-term potential is great, in the early days you might find yourself earning less than expected. Yep, you might start with modest pay while you build experience and prove yourself. So, if you're chasing quick money, you might want to look elsewhere or be ready to play the long game. Reason 2. You don't want to keep learning. If you're not a fan of lifelong learning, this might not be the job for you. Technology evolves fast, and as an IT project manager, you'll constantly need to stay up to date with new tools, methodologies, and best practices. It's not like you can learn once and be done. If you'd rather coast with what you know now, project management will feel like a never-ending homework assignment. Reason 3. You're not into communication. Poor communication skills will be a deal breaker. If you don't enjoy communicating with people, project management will feel like a nightmare. You'll spend a huge amount of time talking to team members, stakeholders and clients, solving problems and aligning expectations. It's not just about sending emails, it's about clear, constant communication to make sure everyone's on the same page. So, if that sounds exhausting, project management might not be your thing. Reason 4. You like the sense of power. If you think being a project manager is about having power, well, let me stop you right there. Sure, you'll have a responsibility, but power? That's a different story. Project management is about teamwork, not telling people what to do. You'll spend more time collaborating and listening than giving orders. If you're in it for a sense of control, you'll quickly realize that managing people and projects requires humility, not power trips. And finally, reason number 5. You want all the credit. If you want all the credit for the work, you're going to be disappointed. As a project manager, your success depends on your team's success, and it's often your team that gets the spotlight. You'll be the one keeping everything running, but the recognition often goes to others. If you're in it for the glory, well, it's not always part of the job. So, there you have it. The top 5 reasons not to become an IT project manager. Don't get me wrong, this career can be incredibly rewarding, but it's important to know what you're getting into before jumping it. If you still feel encouraged to become an IT project manager, take a look at my video about why you should become one.